Today we will be discussing escalation protocols, outbreaks, epidemics, and pandemics, a clinical briefing on disease containment and nursing vanguard responsibilities. Disease containment relies on recognizing abnormal patterns early. Public health terminology distinguishes disease spread by scale and impact, and the nurse is the linchpin. Before a local cluster ever becomes a global crisis, the nurse serves as the critical first line of defense in detection, communication, and prevention. Think of disease transmission as an expanding radius. An outbreak is a localized spark. An epidemic is a regional fire. A pandemic is a global wildfire. The escalation from one threshold to the next is driven by pathogen behavior, population vulnerability, and the speed of public health intervention. Level 1. An outbreak is disease occurrence within a population exceeding normal expectations. Causes include communicable disease, chemical or toxin exposure, and unknown environmental sources, transmitted person to person, animal to person, or environmentally through contaminated water, food, or air. Examples include foodborne illness, Legionnaire's disease, and a localized influenza cluster. Level 2, an epidemic, is a widespread outbreak of a specific infectious disease within a community or region, declared when new cases exceed the expected incidence of that disease. Contributing factors include rising disease levels in the community, environmental or geographical displacement, increased population density and mobility, and disruption of healthcare, sanitation, or essential utilities that would otherwise contain the spread. Every epidemic requires three intersecting conditions: a vulnerable population, the presence of a disease agent, and a mechanism supporting large-scale transmission. Remove or break any one of these three, and the epidemic collapses. 5 indicators signal that an epidemic has become a critical emergency: a large number of projected cases, high morbidity or mortality, threats to societal stability or economic function, insufficient healthcare resources, personnel, vaccines, testing, and imminent risk of global transmission. Level 3, a pandemic, is an epidemic that spreads across multiple countries or continents. The systemic impact includes widespread mortality and morbidity, total disruption of trade, travel, and healthcare infrastructure, and it demands absolute global cooperation. A pandemic affects significantly more people and causes exponentially more deaths than a localized epidemic. COVID-19 is the historical benchmark, officially declared a pandemic by the WHO in March 2020. Containment runs on a 4-step surveillance loop built to detect disease clusters early and prevent escalation, detect and monitor, ongoing data collection, and rigorous collaboration between healthcare facilities and public health departments. Investigate. Interviews, surveys, home visits, contact tracing, and environmental testing. Contain. Identify and isolate the source, implement infection control and education measures, and share data across agencies and communities. And evaluate. Monitor the data until case numbers drop back below expected baseline levels, signaling the outbreak is over. The nursing vanguard is the linchpin of clinical containment across 4 roles: recognition, early identification of unusual patient patterns or localized symptoms; communication, accurate rapid reporting to infection control and public health agencies; intervention, supporting surveillance, screening, and containment while educating patients and the community; and advocacy, championing community initiatives for vaccination, sanitation, and hygiene. Laying the 3 thresholds side by side. An outbreak is localized and contained, handled by local healthcare resources, with cases exceeding normal expectations. An epidemic spreads regionally across communities, with new cases vastly exceeding expected incidence and risking severe economic and social disruption. A pandemic spreads globally across multiple countries, affecting significantly more people and disrupting global trade, travel, and healthcare infrastructure entirely. To summarize the escalation, an outbreak is localized and contained, an epidemic is regional spread beyond expectations, and a pandemic is global spread with widespread impact. Preparedness, communication, and community engagement are the foundation of managing disease effectively, and the nurse's clinical vigilance and timely reporting remain the single most critical variable for successful prevention and control. Bringing it all together, an outbreak is a localized escalation. Think foodborne illness, contained to a specific area. An epidemic is regional spread, like a localized influenza cluster growing beyond expected incidence across a community. A pandemic carries the clearest emergency indicators: high mortality, insufficient resources, threats to societal stability. With COVID-19 as the defining example, at every level, containment runs through surveillance, contact tracing, environmental testing, data analysis, and the nurse's critical role never changes. Vigilant pattern recognition, accurate reporting, and community education to stop the spread before it escalates further.